In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to withdraw money from Fusion Markets. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to fusionmarkets.com. And then from here you'll need to simply log into your account like you usually would, either with your email, Google ID, or Apple ID. From here it should bring something like this, where you'll see an overview of all of your active accounts, either live accounts or demo accounts. But from here, you'll simply need to go over to the menu and click Payments. Now from here, you'll see an overview of deposit, transfer, or withdrawal. And of course, you need to click Withdrawal to withdraw to your bank account. From here, you'll need to select your account. You can just choose your specific live account that you have money inside in, and then click Continue. Once from here, you'll need to fill in your bank information like you will normally do on any other platform. And then from here, you'll just need to click Withdraw. And then there'll go a couple of bank days before you'll get your money inside of your bank account. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!